page 7, number 7, triangle ABC with AB 5 centimeters, BC 7, and measure of angle BAC is 90. So because the A is in the middle, that's where your 90-degree angle is forming from. So if I had it BC, yes, it is. So this would be 90 degrees. Obviously, I didn't draw it correctly.
I don't get it, bro.
You can.
I don't even get it.
I would start with AB.
Do we use the compass?
Yes. AB is 5 centimeters, right?
Oh, yeah, 5? Oh!
BC is 7, right?
But like you said, it was on top.
B was on the top, right?
What was on top?
B.
Well, that was just a random example.
Oh.
My whole point of this is showing you that whatever your middle letter is. Oh, okay, so here. Is that what you wanted? Or I could have done it this way. I could have done it this way. What's the whole point? Is that whatever A is, what does it have to measure? 90. So wherever you put your A, it has to be 90. So wherever you label A, it has to be 90 degrees. Your A has to be 90 degrees. That was the whole point of drawing them up here. Your A has to be 90 degrees. All right, so BC is 7. So do I draw this semicircle off the A or off the B?
Off the A.
No, the B. Off the B.
It says BC, right? So off of what? B. Does it matter? Yeah. Your 7 has to be off the BC, so B. This arc is C. I just don't know where to put the dot for C. Angle BAC is 90. So this is B, A, and somewhere up here is C. So I have to make that 90 degrees.
I did mine, but like I kind of flipped it.
As long as, if I look at where you put the letter A, is it 90 degrees? As long as wherever A is, it's 90 degrees, then you're doing it right.
Oh yeah, so I did get it right.
Is AB 5 and is BC 7?
Where's C at?
Is it okay if mine is a little too high? Yeah. Yeah.
A little too high?
Like I accidentally put it a little too high.
Where's C at?
Like you know, like this. Like my fingers.
I'm like that.
So 90 degrees would be up here, right? So then I connect it. Where do I stop? Where the arc is. So now this is 90 degrees, and up here is the letter C. Oh yeah. Huh?
You have to use a compass.
To draw this one. How'd you get the 7?
What? I don't.
I just measured it because I did the 90 first.
Did it completely correctly? Yes, still caught.
Yeah, I have the 7 at the bottom. Yeah, same.
Put the 7 at the bottom.
I got the 7.
Put the 7 at the bottom.
The 2.
Put the 7 at like the angle first.
I had the 7 at the base and the circle.
I got the 7
I have the 7 on the bottom and the 5.
Now we do the same thing with the
Do the same thing with number 8.
Yoda.
All right, let's do number 7. I mean number 8. Let's do number 8. Number 8.
It's the same thing A and B number.
Yes, yeah. Label it as you go.
And on the bottom is 5.
It's not just 5, it's also A, B. Not just 5, but also A, B. Okay. And then it says AC is 3 centimeters. Set it to 3 centimeters. Now it's AC, so do I put it on the A dot or the B dot?
A dot.
A, because it's AC. It's coming off your A.
Uh-oh.
Now, my angle is what?
120.
But where is it?
I
B,
don't even know.
A, C. What's the middle letter?
A.
A. So where do I draw the angle?
I don't know. A.
On A, not on B. Whatever the middle letter is, that's where you draw it off of.
I don't know what I did. So how do we get 120?
So you put the upside down T on the A.
Oh.
I know, but that's
I
why
did
I
on the
said,
A.
what's the middle letter? The middle letter is A. So therefore your backwards T goes on the letter A. Whatever your middle letter is, that's where you use, that's the dot you use.
Oh. I did it on
Figure
Yoda.
out what I'm getting this answer.
Well, I'm not, okay, you need to stop.
What?
All right, so 120 would be here. So then I line it up to the 120. So this is 120, marked off 120. So then I line up my dots. Then I connect to my semicircle. So this is 120 degrees off of A. This up here is dot C. And then we make it into a triangle. And then can we measure, let's see. This should be 3. This is 3.
Alright.
Double check, is this 3?
Yeah.
And then what is CB or BC?
It's what they.
About 7, right?
CB.
So if you did it right,
Yeah,
it
7.
should be about 7.
I got like 3 and a half. Back in the
No, it should be exactly 3.
7.3. 7 something, bro.
If you did it correctly, it should be exactly 3. Because you're using your compass.
It's like slightly.
It should be 3.
Should be exactly 3.
It should be exactly 3. The 7, that one's the one that could be a little off. But the 3 should be exact.
Yeah, because that's the actual number.
Yeah. The 7s, I think it's a little bit more than 7.
Yeah, it's like a little. Like,
Yeah. That's
I got exactly 7.
I got
that's
exactly 7 too.
I got 7 and a half.
I got 7 and 3.
I got 7 3 too.
I got
Alright.
like 7 and 1.
okay.
Oh no, I got exactly 7.
7 3. Yeah, also I got that.
Mine went a little over 4. Mine went
When I
like
got
over
it.
at the edge.
Okay, can you go back to number 7 and name it?
Right. I saw some.
Okay, I think I got it.
I know it's right.
No, it's a right and cute. Side.
Right skinny.
Double check. This is 5. Is this anywhere near 5?
No, that's a 7.
Right, I saw sleeves.
Ooh. What's the measure of AC?
I think it's 5.
I think it's 5 too.
So then it's my sauce.
Mine is 6. I got 8 and 6.
Yeah, it's 5.
It's 5.
So then
Right.
5, 5.
Oh, yeah.
And this is 7.
This is Kevin.
So this one is
And then
isosceles.
And then that's an obtuse.
This one's totally obtuse.
Two scaling.
Scalene.
Yeah, scalene.
Hey, whenever this one restarts,
All right.
I saw spring.
Any questions? Whew, that was fun. All right, page 8. So if I give you a test, maybe Tuesday next week, it will be construction and naming them. As of now, constructing and naming them. And then I'm going to teach you something new right now. By new, I mean some of you already know it. All right, page 8. It's the sum of a triangle. The sum of the angles of any triangle is always.
180.
Told you already knew this.
50.
180 degrees. So if I add up the 3 angles in any triangle, it should always be 180 degrees. Like supplementary. It's always 180 degrees. The reason is, let me show you a magic trick. Let me create a triangle with a piece of paper. I can do this. I can do this. So, I'm going to create a triangle here. My cutting skills are amazing. Alright, so here is my magic trick. Owen, can you stop playing with the tools? Thank you, Daniel. Alright, should we have anything in our hands? No. Okay, here's my triangle. Here's angle A, B, and C, right? Triangle. So what happens is, if I cut out the corners, the angles in a triangle, and I line them up,
Hold up.
they will form
180.
180 degrees.
Well, actually.
Well, that's because of my cutting skills, but you know.
Actually.
Yeah.
That's false.
So it is a straight line. So if I put angle A, B, and C in together, they create a straight line.
Cool.
So
What if you get rid of E?
Okay, bud.
Jesus. So ABC, if you add A plus B plus C, it gives you 180 degrees. Why 180 degrees? Because it is a straight line. Jeez Louise, people.
What happened?
Nothing. I'm dying up here.
Yoda.
Alright. So we have 60 plus 70 plus X is all equal to 180. So you can add the 2 that I give you. What's 60 plus 70?
We have to do all that.
Yes, because what do I know that you don't know? No. Because when I teach you how to do the harder ones, you'll be using this simple math to do the hard math.
I already know how to do all that.
Oh my goodness, Kevin.
60 plus 70. What do we have to write that?
I'm measuring it.
Everything I write, you write.
I'm not doing all this, man.
Alright, what did you guys get for number 2?
35.
35?
Yeah, 125. 135.
135?
I got 5. I mean, 35.
So what's the missing number? 90, right?
Oh,
55 plus 90
35.
plus x is equal to 180. These two give you 145 plus x equals 180 minus 145. So x does equal 35.
We have to do all of that.
Yes, because in the minute they're going to become a lot more algebraic.
I don't know what that is.
That's sad.
A lot more x's are going to be involved. Aiden? No, Aiden. Don't.
I know, literally number 3 has 2 X's.
Yes, so how would I write that down?
2x.
35.
I just subtracted 50 from my 80 and I divided that.
Dylan, you can leave your compass on the table.
X equals what?
What's 130 divided by 2?
65.
Yeah, it's 65.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Alright, 65.
Hey, no, you're lost boy from there, man.
I got me lost, but I
From Detroit.
wondered that.
Yoda's from Detroit. Bro, I feel like Yoda's butt is
How would you write number 5? Aiden, how would you write number 5?
I'm not on number 5.
You should quickly.
90 plus 2x. Oh, sorry.
Good. I mean, you should be all capable of, even if you're not on that problem, to jump to that problem, realize, oh, I know what to do.
I mean, I just.
Is that what you mean by there's gonna
90
be more
plus
X's?
80, and then since that's 90, I just did 45.
Wait, for number 4, did you guys get 100 then?
Yeah.
How would I write number 6?
For 6, 3x equals 180.
So all of them equal 60.
Okay, can you go back and name number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6?
Like just a Q or?
Both.
Kevin,
If-
what'd you get for number 4?
Yeah, acute scalene would be the first name for the first one. But Miss Amelia, they don't give me any measurements to the sides. Well, if no angles are the same, no sides are the same. If no angles are the same, no sides are the same. So number 1 would be an acute scalene. Yep.
3 is a Q isosceles.
Yep. So we're practicing again naming them. If you need to go back and look at your notes for this, feel free.
Acute scaling.
For number 5, did you get 45? What'd you get for number 5?
Up to something. Skating,
Me
right?
too.
Right scaling.
What? How do you do number 6? Oh, she just put it. 3x. 180. Oh, that's 60 then.
Q isosceles.
Equilateral.
Lateral.
Yep.
Up to scaling.
There you go. Cute, scale.
Easy.
Good.
Right.
Joseph. All right. We good? Did you name them all? Okay. All right. Merry Christmas, 7 and 8. You can work with your teammates on 7 and 8. Don't shout out. Work with your partner.
120 degrees.
This one's like, it's cool because there's multiple triangles in one. It's kind of like a puzzle. Like you figure one thing out, it will help you with something else. It's pretty cool. Do you have the tools necessary to solve this?
No.
Yes, you do. So,
Both have to add. Both of them combine to add up to